Hey guys, just wanted to pop on real quick and show you this month's um, project. This one I flip-flopped my May and my April project because my April project is super big. So this kit is a large kit and you can find it in the description box. It is from Paperomia and I believe it's called the Spring Bundle. I'll have the correct title of it also in the description box with link. And I just wanted to show you real quick, the project I did is a simple page pocket. You can either clip it into your journal with a paper clip and use the back for writing, or you can glue it directly down into the page and fill these pockets. These pockets are super large pockets. You can get a ton of stuff in there. And you can use any of the larger double paged pages of the kit to create these. So these are 2 pages that come together. I just cut it in half and I cut off a corner of the top part and glued my edges and created this pocket. I love these pockets for journals because they can hold a lot of stuff. You can put in notebooks, you can have things hanging out. I love this paper. It is gorgeous paper. So I had asked to work with it again for the May project. And the sunflower paper is so beautiful, is it not? Oh, I love it. And I love how I cut the hill part to get this pocket. But like I said, my April project became really large, so I needed the extra time to complete it, and it will not disappoint. Let me just tell you that up front. It is gorgeous. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment. If you want to see more content from me, make sure you subscribe and click your notifications bell so you get more updates when I post new videos. I think that's about it. All right, guys, I'm going to get back to my project. I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.